Hey Neha,
Hi,
today is avocado day and I have a few questions or a few doubts I would say to ask you.
shoot.
Okay, so is avocado fattening?
Well, avocado contains good fats, though it's high in fat, but these are good fats. They are mono and polyunsaturated fats, which means they actually help you lower your cholesterol and improve heart health. Besides that, they also help to absorb your vitamin A, D, E, K, which are fat soluble vitamins. So they are great for your health.
Since avocado is a fruit, can it also be eaten as a fruit salad?
Well, now it's a fruit, but it's different from your other fruits. Now, your normal fruits are high in sugars, but since avocado is high in fat, you can't mix it with the other fruits. Rather, you toss up a good veggie salad with your avocado instead of mixing it with your sweet fruits.
Can an avocado be eaten every day?
Well, yes, you can eat half an avocado almost every day because besides good fat, it also contains vitamin E, potassium, fiber, and a lot of other nutrients which are super good for your heart health, brain health, gut health, and your overall well being and also your skin.
So are Indian avocados less healthier than the imported ones?
Well, not really. The Indian avocados may be a little less in the oil content than the imported ones, but that doesn't make them less nutritious. So you can easily include them, and I would recommend you do that. A, because you're supporting the local farmers, and B, you're buying it way cheaper than the imported ones. So making it a super sustainable and a convenient option for you on daily basis.